Today we're looking at this wireless keyboard and mouse set. This is a great set, so then that way you can have both being wireless and just easily plugged in by the USB-B drive right here. So it stores in the mouse, and then that way you always have it when you need it to take it out, plug it into whatever device you're going to use. In this case, I'm going to use it with my laptop, and then that way it is easy plug and play or just start to use. It has an on and off, so then that way you can turn it off and save battery. The mouse and the keyboard is rechargeable, so then that way you can take it on trips and not have to worry about trying to find a plug. Just charge it before you go, and then you should be good. It has the two buttons here on the side. It has the DPI button here, and then this nice scroll button here. There's also the normal two here. This is a really nice economical shape for your hand. It's just gonna fit and be comfortable for all day use. So I'm gonna go ahead, plug in my USB drive. And once that's plugged in and this is turned on, then I can just go ahead and start using it. Here you can see, click Google, and then go ahead and start pushing a bunch of things. The mouse works right away. Here is the keyboard. I really like this keyboard. It is a low profile keyboard. It's not bulky or noisy, anything like that. It's just a really nice, comfortable one to use. It has all your normal keys over here. It has your number section over here, and then some additional buttons. So here you can see all of that. And on the back, it has two tabs here, so you can lay it flat or just put them in when you travel. When you're about to work, go ahead and set those up. This is like a silicone non-slip, so that way it stays flat. And once you already have the USB plugged in for your mouse, then you can go ahead and start using this keyboard as well without having to plug in anything else. You just turn on the on switch. And then here you can see that it turned on. It is lighting up a little bit.